Here's a 2018 Cadillac CT6 Sedan. A revolution in power, refinement, agility, and innovation for an unmatched driving experience. It's well equipped with features you need. Integrated navigation system with voice activation. Heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Power heated mirrors. Hands-free liftgate. V6 engine. Magnetic fluid-filled shocks. Bluetooth wireless audio streaming. Multi-zone climate control. Magnetic fluid-filled rear shocks. Automatic park assist 2. And automatic transmission. Cadillac embodies a passion for performance, craftsmanship, and innovation. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
A great selection, fantastic customer service, and top-notch service and parts. Yes, you can have it all at Colonial Cadillac. We're easy to find on Cambridge Road in Woburn.